What's the meaning of break of serve? Break of serve. Break of serve.
Break of serve. Break of serve. In tennis, break of serve refers to a situation in which the player receiving serves wins the game against the player serving. This happens when the player receiving manages to win enough points in the game to make it impossible for the serving player to retain their service game. When a break of serve occurs, the serving player loses that game and the receiver takes a lead of one game in the set. This can have a significant impact on the outcome of the match, as it gives the player who broke serve more momentum and can put them in a stronger position to win the set or match.